Hyundai. Okay? This also Hyundai, but the same car. Okay? And this also maybe Hyundai. Yes, this one. Hello, friend. Happy Sunday to all. Welcome to my channel. Today we are going to Hyundai service center. Okay? With my papa. And now I am on the way. So in petrol pump back there is a Hyundai service center, and we have to learn the car machine and how to car service, okay, and how the car machine will be work. Going to the Hyundai service center. Now watch this. And look, these are the cars. Books, look. All cars are Greta, Verna, Renew, Ura, Grand I-10 Nios. Wow. Extra, whoa. Supercar. Extra. This is the Hyundai. Wait in India Drive 22. Says this also. Next is Hyundai Extra coming soon. Takes you place. And this Express Hyundai Extra coming soon to take you places. Okay? But that black car is only around the black car. Okay? And the mechanic man preparing our car. And please subscribe to my channel for Hyundai Service Center preparing